Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create Ghibli art style profile picture. So open Canva and create a square design, then go to element, look for frame or circle frame, like this or this. Choose any format that you like. I will choose this. Then go to your browser, look for Grok 3. It is a OpenAI extension. Click on the link, then subscribe to the website, then upload your favorite picture to make it in a profile picture. So upload the picture. I will choose mine here. I will choose like this girl picture. Then enter the prompt. I will put this prompt. You will find it in the video description. So make copy, then paste here. Then click on enter button. So this is the picture. Save it in your computer. Then go back to Canva, upload the picture. This is the picture. Insert it in the frame like this. So this is the picture profile with Ghibli art style. You need just to download it and go to share, then download, save it like PNG file type, then click on transparent background, then click on download. I hope that you like this tutorial and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching this video.